Alright, so I'm logged into my Laverne email account, Gmail account, and unfortunately we don't have the service turned on, but it's pretty easy to get. What's called Google Reader. Oops. I'm going to search the web for it, and there it is, right there. I think I'm signed into my other account. But I guess we can do it here too. What Google Reader does is, instead of me going out, like in the RSS video, and checking the blog to see what's going on, see if anybody's posted anything new, coming back to my home page, going back again, Google Reader pulls all of those together for me. And you can get it with your Laverne Gmail account. And so that you'd still have to go into search for Google Reader, but it'll store all of your articles for you. How it works is, if we're going along, we find a good blog that we like, and it has good information. This is the Rapid E-Learning blog from Articulate. It's got some pretty cool ideas that they post quite often, and especially for this program. So I'm clicking to visit the page, and it's taking a while to build, but I'm going to copy that URL and then go back to Google Reader. And over here where it says add a subscription, I click on that, paste it in there, and add. It's loading up. So now every time they publish something new, it will come and show up right here in the Rapid E-Learning blog. And I can go through and I can read them, get some ideas and stuff, and see where I am and stay up to date on them. Some of these you can see they have 3 updates waiting for me. There's 7 in the Collaborate Classroom. So you can go through, and as you start using Reader more and more, you can start doing more and more subscriptions. One of the things that's kind of cool with Google Reader, and you might want to think about, is you can make bundles. So those are from another class, but say we have a couple of these, like a teacher's desk and Collaborate Classroom and this Rapid E-Learning blog, and they're all similar. So what I'm going to do is click on this little arrow next to it, and I'm going to create a new folder called Online Learning Blogs. And so now that's a folder, and I can drag these other ones, like the Collaborate Classroom. I'm going to drop it in there. And so now they're in a folder here, so I can, like when I have time to check out, to be up to date on things, I can click, and all of them are in the same area. You can also start searching through and find more like it. Google Reader will look, it's kind of that, not quite semantic web, but it starts pulling information and says, people who like this one also like this one. It's kind of like your iTunes Genius. So, and you can do that, which is kind of fun. If you have an hour or so to kill, check out Reader Play, because it's a huge time suck, but totally fun. And there you go. That's Google Reader in a nutshell. You can add to them. I'm going to go back to this Rapid E-Learning blog. This was the original one at Articulate. And usually, if you find another blog and you don't want to copy it and go to Google Reader and do this and that, you can usually subscribe by clicking on this little orange RSS button, and it'll ask you how you want, what service you use to subscribe. So we used Google Reader in this one because it's built in and easy to use. So you could just click on that, and then it'll ask you a couple questions. Do you want to add it to your Google homepage or just add it to your Reader? And we've already added it, but now it's in there for sure. So there's a couple different ways you can do it and manage your aggregating all your information online.